The quotient rule is a method of finding the derivative of a function that is the ratio of two differentiable functions where g of x, the bottom function, is not equal to 0. This can be memorized by the phrase low d high minus high d low over low low, or h prime of x equals f prime of x times g of x minus f of x times g prime of x over gx squared. Take, for example, the derivative of tangent x, which can also be represented by d dx sine x over cosine x, in which we can apply the quotient rule to. So we know that the derivative of sine x is equal to cosine x, and that the derivative of cosine x is minus sine x. So let's apply this to our equation. So low d high minus high d low over low low. So our high would be sine and our low would be cosine. So we would have cosine x times the derivative of the top, which would be cosine x, minus the top, which is sine x, over the derivative of the bottom, which is minus sine x, over low low, which would be cosine x squared. Giving us cosine x squared plus sine x squared over cosine x squared. Knowing the Pythagorean trigonometric identity, we know that cosine x squared plus sine x squared is equal to 1, which would give us 1 over cosine x squared, or secant x squared, which can also just be represented by secant squared x.